Alright guys, so now we're going to take it off eco mode and do a little pull for you. Probably a third. Look, as soon as I put eco mode off, I can feel it pick up. But eco mode is good. AC off, obviously. You guys know Honda gets its most power when the AC is off. But yeah, so these gears are very, like extremely long. So we'll probably be hitting crazy numbers at like a crazy gear. So just don't, you know, worry, I guess, too much for me. But let me just triple check, make sure I'm actually fucking recording. Okay, cool. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a little there's a guy behind me, but he's literally gonna get gapped. Alright, we'll do a third real quick. Alright, ready? Fully stop. Fully stop. Fifth right now. Alright. So fully stock. It's quiet. It's real quiet. It's smooth though. You guys saw that. It's very, very smooth. I like it, guys. So I don't know. I mean, that pulls great. No, the only downside, no turbo noises, no, you know, exhaust right now. I have K-tuner for this car, but I just haven't put it on yet. And I heard once you flash this car, I'm not sure if it's accurate, but you could get like higher in the 200s. Remember guys, this car makes 250. I'm not sure if that's to the crank. I don't know. I feel like it makes a solid 250 to the wheel, because remember guys, I had the FA5 and that, you know, stock made like 190 and it didn't feel like nowhere near as close as this. And then when I had it all motor, you know, all tuned and stuff, it still did not feel close as this. And I made like a good 230. So there's no way this is making less than, you know, 230. I mean, to me it feels like it's making way more than 230, but I'm just saying, like, no way it's making less to the wheel. I'm not sure, like, I don't know the numbers at all, but this car is ridiculous. But anyways, yeah, I don't know what else to say, guys. I mean, this car is, it's a great buy. If you're looking into getting an Accord, auto or standard, I think is just a great buy. If you're looking for any like modifications, things are cheap. If you guys check out my other videos, I paid 80 bucks for this duckbill, paint matched and everything, put it on and made it look badass. I'll put a picture here. And then I also paid like $240 for the taillights, which are badass. They're sequential, and then they do a little, you know, a little flashy show when you turn on the car and stuff. It's awesome. And then I also ordered the front lip, which was also another $80, paint match and everything for the car. So everything, even if it's replica, I don't know the name brand parts for this car, but even if it's replica or whatever, it's all cheap. Like for the FA5, I paid like $1,000 for the front bumper and the rear bumper for the FD2 conversion, if not a little more, honestly. But yeah, this thing's crazy, guys. It's a rocket, and it's a silent rocket. Like I said, it's just a sleeper. But yep, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm only gonna do one pull. I mean, you guys saw it pulls hard. So that's pretty much it. It was like my little review, I guess. I really wish I did it in the daytime, but today's like my last good day that I could do this. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.